रास्ते पे चलने, जैसे आदमी के पास में फुटपाथ पे चलने के लिए रास्ता ऑलरेडी वो ऑक्यूपाइड है, कभी झोपड़पट्टी की वजह से ऑक्यूपाइड है, कभी किसी दुकान वाले ने दुकान लगाकर मतलब उस चीज़ को ब्लॉक कर दिया है फुटपाथ को। इधर पब्लिक जो है ना वो रास्ते पर चलती है, और जब वो रास्ते पर चलती है तो फिर मोटरिस्ट कहाँ गाड़ी अपनी चलाएंगे, समझे? तो बहुत संभाल कर चलाना होता है। मेंटली आदमी डिस्टर्ब रहता है कि कब कोई झोपड़े में से बाहर आ जाए।
You ask a question as to why don't you walk on the pavements? Not possible. Impossible. Try and walk on the pavement, not on the road. See how often you will have to step down from the pavement to the road. Just try and figure out. Just try and figure out how often you will have to do that. Because there is some shop that is jetting out, because there is some guy who's drunk or a beggar that is sitting.
I will not tolerate. I am a zero tolerance man. As far as BMC is concerned, in nearby area there are schools and colleges and all. So thousands of students use this road and footpath. Now, Mafi Ahmed Kidwai Road, near that footpath, some 7,000 trucks pass. So the basic thing is they must provide a safely walking area, at least for the students and aged and all. So, but such simple thing which you and I will understand in 5 minutes, it takes 2 years for BMC to understand. Miss at ward level, at DMC level, at commissioner level, you go and talk and give letters and photographs and all, and still is not done for past 2 years. That is the thing which is wrong in this city.
सरकार गाड़ियों के लिए लाखों करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करती है कि गाड़ी सही सलामत एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जा सके। और गाड़ी के अंदर 1 से 4 लोग ही बैठते हैं, और सड़क के ऊपर कई गरीब से गरीब आदमी, अमीर से अमीर आदमी सड़क के किनारे पे चलते हैं, और उसके लिए चलने के लिए सड़क का किनारा भी सुरक्षित नहीं है। हमारे शहर में 1 किलोमीटर दायरा भी कहीं बचा नहीं है जो फुटपाथ सही सलामत हो, जहाँ पे चल सकता हो इंसान।
People have forgotten to walk on the footpath because there's no place to walk on the footpath. We just developed this footpath. If you see coming when you come entering the lane, this was like that for the last 40 years, 30 years. And after hampering in 2 years, it has just got paved now. So you see people are not walking on that footpath also. They're not used to.
All these things, when they got these hawkers removed from here, they started placing their bikes here. So when the BMC van goes and the police enters in, these people are all coming back here unless we don't call the police.
But I am against these people standing and on the road and working. I am against these people building their house on the road and living. Absolutely against.
Survey 13 feet of road, and his brother Trivedi station Mandastall is another 6 feet. That means total from the footpath till the road is 20 feet gone. And these politicians come and abuse the BMC and the police to take a mild stand. Now either that man will survive for his job by listening to the corporators and the local politicians, or will have to be kicked off.
The ALM members who are on the linking road also keep networking with me and telling me what's happening on this road. So immediately I call up from here and tell them, okay, look, it's like that. See, we also NGOs or residents were so fed up of the issue that we have changed ourselves automatically. We have no other alternative. See, you want to change the system, you have to be in the system.
Now, Matunga Central Railway Station, the license given to number of hawkers is 30, and there are 300 hawkers. So the thing is that just by paying 20 rupees per day to that BMC officer, what is called as Hafta, as little as 20 rupees. That man is able to just put anything and everything on the footpath and sell it. And then day by day that small basket goes on increasing, and now if you come there, there will be layers of 10 things. He puts at least 15 baskets at a various level of height and sells some 25 items. So that is as good as a big shop like him, which is what is objectionable. You people don't get space to walk.
It's like an obstacle course. They have to cross the vehicles, they have to cross all kinds of blockages. Moment a skywalk is being constructed at Villeparle West. No notice to the pedestrians, no notice to the residents, no traffic plan, diversion plan. Suddenly overnight the barricades come up. Pedestrians are forced to go in between the barricade and the buildings, and as it is there are illegal hawkers. They have not been temporarily moved, even though they may or may not have a stay from the High Court or the Supreme Court to remain there. But for facilitating the pedestrians to go from SV Road to the station, there is no management. This is not the way project should be. The people who are using it and the people who are affected by it, they have to be taken into confidence and made sure that what is happening, everybody knows about it.